Whoa, this is so cool. Oh, hi there, guys. I didn't notice you there. Yeah, if you saw my last month the video about the terrible coffee slime, you might know I did it with a friend called Natalia.
Hi.
Come in. So
Can you move the computer because I have to go like this. So basically, the first slime what she was playing with, which is this one obviously, it's fluffy slime, and to be honest, I made it, not her.
Yeah.
Why is it mostly black and white or grey? Oh gosh.
Just don't worry.
Right. So
we're gonna be doing some better slime.
Last time we tried the coffee slime, and I think that was it. So this time I've got stage 2, and I've still got that book. So I'm gonna get it right now. So
yeah.
I'll be
back if we know what went wrong. We added the blue laundry thing. Wasn't working.
I know, and by the way, I'm so sorry to, I still don't know how to pronounce her surname, but I'm really, really sorry that I just said whatever. So I'll try to pronounce your surname. Karina Garcia. I'm sorry, I'm really sorry.
I think it's Garcia.
I don't think so, she's not Polish. I'm really sorry if I pronounced it wrong.
Surname.
Right, so let's see first on the next level what we'll be doing, because we have no idea what we're. Let's not do the instant clear because I started it and it doesn't go nice. Ultra crunchy slime.
No, we shouldn't, because it's pretty much not clear.
Have we got slushy slime?
No.
Most butter slime, what do we need? We've got PVA glue, we've got lotion plus some extra. We've got lotion.
Maybe.
Ask your mom.
Okay, I'll be back, guys.
Oh wait, no, you don't have soft clay, do you?
We definitely don't.
No, we can't do it. Have you got any? Wait, peanut butter slime?
No, I don't think so.
Oh no. All right, so we're going back to the old one. Sorry. When we ever get some, yeah. Why did you take away?
We might need it later.
So yeah,
We're not gonna. I think I'm gonna need to go get a bowl.
True. Oh wait.
A bowl and a spoon first.
So we could try, guys, to do. We probably don't have baking powder, so no. Wait, let me just move this. That could be yes. Right. What else is good here? Because we don't have Cheetos, because none of us like it. Kinetic slime? No. I do have kinetic slime, but in my house. Just saying. Please subscribe to her YouTube channel, which is called The Karina Bear, and Instagram, the mom. So this is all of her. Be careful. YouTube one at the top, then Snapchat at the bottom, and Instagram in the middle. So that's all of them. I'm sorry if you didn't see, but you can pause. So what one should we make? Maybe we should do a fluffy slime, yeah?
Yeah. Where is fluffy slime?
It's not at the very end, but before. Maybe we should try coffee slime again.
No.
Yes.
No.
In our next video, we will.
Yes. But that one might be tomorrow.
Coffee slime, yes. So PVA glue, which I'll get out right now.
I think we'll just make it white.
Nah, we can.
Then you're gonna go after the color.
I did it last time. You did.
No, I did.
No, I did.
No, I did.
Fine, I'm doing it. Right, shaving cream. Let me get my shaving.
I think you have it.
I know it's a bit empty, but there's still stuff. I remember spoon. Do you remember the spoon? It looks clear, but it's green.
Yeah.
Right.
Why does it look clear?
Right. Food coloring. It's optional, so you don't need it. And also we'll need 18 teaspoons of contact lens solution. Or, like me, I was smart and brought borax. Can you please?
Yes.
Which is basically powder and water mixed together. So we did this specially, so it says borax. Do not drink, because it legit looks like water. Like, you need to say that I did a pretty good job. So what's the first step?
Add a PVP.
Right, we need the PVA glue. We need the measuring cup thingy.
Can you go ask? Because then you can go ask for the color as well.
Oh yes, so we'll have to pause the video for like a few seconds.
Well, for you will be just 1 second.
Sure.
So see you in a second. Okay.
Wait, don't. Did you put it back?
Okay.
Don't, and then we're like,
let's just carry on because this is still recording somehow.
oh my gosh.
It's not working, so just go get it.
Yeah,
And I'll tell you what to do next.
Wait, yeah, I'll go get it. So sorry. I thought it was like done bang.
Okay, after that we're gonna add shaving cream to the batter and mix until. Okay, I can't read properly, so don't get mad. I think this will make a good house, shelter house, kind of a balance. Right?
What color should we make it?
What color do you want it?
I don't know. Yellow? If there is, I'll just pick a random color.
Just say a random number. Optional, add 8 drops of food coloring. This is more than most drops. Okay, I'm not reading that part. It's optional to add step 3, but you can just skip step.
Right, you said a random one, so we're doing baby blue.
Oh, that's like the exact same color.
Oh wait, I legit forgot the measuring cup.
Oh, how funny. She's funny.
Right, I got it. I got it. So how much was it? Wait, we'll do a bit less. Yeah? Right. Well, wait, how much does it take to do it?
It didn't
Really?
say.
Did you have to close it?
Yes.
I think you find it again. This is it. So it says 120. We will be doing a bit smaller.
We might do 100.
Yeah, we do 100. Because I actually used. So in here was a legit liter, but now there's less. So that's roughly about 120. Roughly about 120.
Okay, let's put the glue in.
Wait, watch out for the spin, right? What's the next step?
Next step is to add shaving cream.
Okay, how much should we? Was it
130.
350 people? I don't think. Wait, how much is there in total? 200.
We're gonna.
And I already used a lot. Then I'll just add how much. Maybe we'll add 50 and off wall. We could just add more. Yeah, past the thingy.
Okay, there we go.
Where's the thing? So wait, no, this thing.
It's the other end.
So, or maybe not 50. Or actually, to be honest, I'll just put it in.
No.
Here. What is the bottom?
No, it's your your glue.
I know.
It's gonna get destroyed. We can't put glue on flowers.
Right, this is an awful noise.
I know.
And it's hard.
Can I try?
Wait, oh yeah, it needs to be normal.
I'm gonna just mix it.
Wait.
I'll try.
Maybe don't mix it. Don't mix it yet. It needs to be straight, so yeah.
Let me try.
You do it, please.
Hold the spoon.
Okay, I'll be mixing. Yeah, it needs to be straight, that's the thing. And it drips from the bottom. This shaving cream is the worst. We could have asked her dad. We could have asked her dad to use our instead of getting it from a shop.
We're gonna just have to use olive.
Yeah. I guess I'm not gonna be making fluffy slime in years.
Until you buy new.
True. So I don't think you know what happened, but when she was shaking it, just a big explosion of shaving cream went on our computer.
You mean my computer?
It's our computer. Bite it to get. Oh gosh, sorry, cat. So we got it from Communion. So we got this one for communion. Come on. Come on, shaving cream. You're alive. You can do it.
It smells weird.
Shaving cream smells weird. Yes, it's doing it. It's doing it. Shake it maybe more.
I'm scared.
Wait.
Let me take.
No, I'm scared. Well, I'm gonna check what's next. Add the food coloring.
8 drops.
I don't care. I'm just gonna add a lot. Cause last time I added like. Oh god, that is. I'm not making my fingers dirty again.
Okay. Okay, I think that's good.
No, it isn't. That was. Wait. Come on, there.
We're making
This shaving cream is terrible.
Już prawie nie ma, dlatego.
I know.
Okay, I think that's good. It's getting a little bit heavy of mixing. We don't want way too much because it's gonna go watery, and that's.
No, it isn't.
I think that's good.
No, it isn't. I can't do
Put it
it.
into my spoon. Add food coloring.
Yeah, I'm just gonna start adding it. Right? Is there any in there even? There isn't any. What if we in this color? There isn't any.
Nie ma.
Wait, there is.
Okay.
Right, it's hardly starting to get blue. Oh, it's actually starting. Oh, that's a nice blue.
I don't know if they can see the blue.
That's a nice blue.
It's a blue.
It's baby blue. That's what it's called.
It doesn't
No
look.
wystarczy tego barwnika.
That was Polish.
Chcecie sandwicze?
No. I tried to get my hands in it, but I did! My hands are terrible, right? I cannot aim at this camera.
Yeah? Sorry, because we're speaking Polish as well.
So, you might not understand this part. Shinky said.
Yes, I'm the sun come.
Right, so that was, we were asking for sandwiches with ham and cheese.
Just me, just ham.
Oh gosh, this shaving cream is the worst. Wow, what was the next step? Wait, let me have the book, maybe. Right, add the food coloring. Yeah, we did it.
So next step.
Slowly drain the 1 teaspoon. Okay, that's what it is. Right. And I know the rest.
This is basically nothing.
I know because I never added the activator yet.
It's borax.
It's activator though.
Put it around to here.
No, I'll do it. You keep on mixing.
That was very active.
I never said that was the end.
I know.
You add a bit at a time because we'll have to start all over.
Okay, now do not add any more until mixing might be done. Okay.
No, because you...
Look, it's coming apart, coming together. Okay, I think it's your turn to mix.
Fine, but I'm scared. Just add the world's tiniest little amount while you're doing it.
No, just wait.
The whiteness is still there.
I know.
Right.
Shaving cream.
Yes. Come on.
Now I wait.
Now we wait. Ooh, that was actually quite good, Natalia. Woo.
Yeah.
Come on, drop.
Exactly. We are twins.
True. Well, no, because you're 1 year older than me. We're
Yeah.
sisters.
Yeah, we're sisters,
But we were born on the same day, same month, same minute, I guess.
No.
Same hour, not same minute, but same hour.
Yeah, we were born on the, I think...
29th of January. It was January.
Oh, yeah.
Our mom's birthday's in June.
Oh, yeah.
And your friends.
Okay, I think it's...
Yeah, add more. But I feel like we might have to start all over again.
I don't think so.
I do think so.
It's just sticking to the spoon.
No, it isn't. This is like the world's best combination you should get. So, look at it.
Wait, I think I'm ready with my hands.
Wait. Yeah. Right. So pull up our sleeves. Hey, I want some. Give me.